The mutants are dead. This is the new face of the law. We are the sons of Batman, and Gotham's criminals are about to enter hell.
It worked. We rounded up about half of them. No fight left in them at all. Those who got away have broken off into smaller gangs.
I'll deal with the rest of them in time.
You'll be doing that on your own. Good luck, Bruce. You're gonna need it.
Telling you, I didn't do nothing.
Instances of Batman-inspired vigilantism are on the rise. Regular people fighting to take back their neighborhoods.
How are you feeling, sir?
I know I should have been afraid, but this is my block. The guy was mugging a lady in front of my shop.
Like it was yesterday.
Exactly as I warned. The Batman has infected the minds of Gotham's youth. Poisoned these so-called sons of Batman with an insidious excuse for the most violently antisocial behavior.
Batman? I'm tired of hearing about him. Why can't he just let things go, the way the rest of us do? We count too.
So a bunch of psychopaths turn on criminals instead of the rest of us, and you want to blame Batman? I say more power to them.
Do not expect any further statements. The sons of Batman do not make speeches. We act. Gotham City belongs to the Batman.
Batman. Darling.